Hello everybody and welcome to the Watch channel. Today we are going to be taking a look at the Seiko SRPG models from the Seiko 5 sports range. Now, one rather unique thing about these watches is that they have a very special case. And what I mean by that is that it isn't stainless steel, nor is it PVD coated. It's actually a full hard resin case. Now, I don't know whether this has been inspired or influenced by the phenomenon that is the MoonSwatch with their bioceramic, but it is a very unique case. And like I say, I wanted to show you because I've just not seen anything like this from Seiko previously. Anyway guys, before we get stuck into this video, if you do like my content, please do consider giving us a subscribe and a like. It would be greatly appreciated. Without further ado, let's get into this video. So guys, we've got three models for you from this range: the SRPG 79, the SRPG 77, and then the SRPG 71. Starting with the case, we have 39 mils in diameter and 12.4 mils of thickness. The watch, as you can see, has that hard resin case and a bezel which is made of a very similar material. You do have a hard Lex crystal, and the watch is 100 meters water resistant. Powering the watch is the Seiko 4R36, which is a 24 dual movement with a 41-hour power reserve. As you can see, it does have a day-date complication, and stated accuracy is plus or minus 45 to 35 seconds a day. As I've alluded to at the start of this video, the big thing for me about this watch is the resin case. So essentially it is a hard resin plastic material rather than stainless steel. One of the benefits of this is the fact that it is extremely lightweight, but that is also one of its biggest drawbacks. Because of the resin case, the watch is extremely light. Now that will translate into wearing comfort, but I can't escape the feeling that this does feel like a toy watch. Aside from the lightweight case, you can see the crown, stainless steel. Would have been really good if they could have made that in the same material as the case. And the back plate cover, just screw in. It reminds me a lot of a G-Shock actually, but G-Shocks don't have that god-awful sticker. One of the usual complaints with watches, well actually any Seiko watch, is that the bezel is misaligned. Now thankfully that's not a problem on this watch because that bezel doesn't have any ratcheting on it whatsoever. It is just a smooth turning bezel, so you can align it however you want. I'm sure there are going to be a lot of people that are tempted to super glue this bang on 12 so it never ever goes out of alignment. I took some macro footage of the bezel just to have a look at the bezel teeth, and I was quite impressed with the crispness of the well, not even the engraving, but of the moulding. But what I did notice directly below it was that line which looks as though where the mould was cast, which is a little bit disappointing. To the more positive aspects of the watch, first of all, at 39 mils, this watch really is something that all wrists can wear. It's not too small, it's not too large. Again, because of that lightness, it is supremely comfortable to wear, and it has the usual soft, silky silicone rubber strap that Seikos are renowned for. It does have a sign buckle there as well. Another positive for the watch is the level of finishing on the dial and the hands. As per usual with Seiko, it sort of exceeds the price point that it's targeting. I suppose overall, if I were to summarise, I like the fact that Seiko have decided to use this resin case, albeit my concerns about its lightness and longevity and durability. It is quite unique. It just feels a little bit half-arsed. Anyway guys, keen to hear what you think. Please put your comments in the section below and I will come back to you. Other than that guys, thank you so much for taking the time to watch the video and I will see you in the next one. Cheers.